Hello everyone. Today I will show you my copper collection. Lately a lot of copper has accumulated. I myself do not even know how many kilograms there will be, and I myself am impatient to find out, since before spring I need to accumulate 100 kilograms, and now we'll see if it's possible to do it or not. I also have a little brass. Now I will show you everything and weigh. First, let's take a look at this little box. Here I have copper that I got from various equipment, from TVs, from transformers, coils and different wires. Of course, there is not very much copper here by weight, but this is the most beautiful copper that I have. As you can see, it is all different colors. Here I have every little thing stored. There are different plates, parts from circuit breakers. Some of them are gray. Maybe they have silver plating. I don't really understand this, so I threw them into a common pile, and most of all there are short ends of wires. Volume it seems not big, but the weight should be decent. I also have such a bottle, in which I collected pieces of wires that remain after twisting wires in the junction box. And now we turn to the most interesting moment. The box does not seem to be big, but it is very heavy. It contains only wires, and they are thick and thinner, but in general they give very good weight. Of course it was not easy to clean them. I lost many days for this, but the wires are clean and beautiful. Now I will take everything out of this box and take a closer look. And now it's time to weigh in. After that I will show you how much brass I have accumulated. I calculated the total weight and it turned out to be 42 kilograms of copper. This, of course, is a lot, but I understand that it will be very difficult to accumulate 100 kilograms, since there are only 2 months left until spring. But I will try anyway, and I will definitely have 100 kilograms of copper, but I don't know when. Now let's see how much brass I have. Here I have different parts. These are the contacts that I took out of 100 sockets. I have a video of how I took them apart on my channel. Whoever has not seen it can watch it. There are also such brass plates from electrical circuit breakers. Now let's put brass on the scales. I hope you liked the video about my copper collection. If so, do not forget to rate this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your attention, everyone. Bye.